and Mason County. Were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Albany to near Rio Grande, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Portland, Sandyville, Point Pleasant, Lakin, Reedsville, Pomeroy, Washington, Guysville, Darwin, Cottageville, Cookville, Salem Center, Harrisonville, Tuppers Plains, Syracuse, Dexter, Lubeck, Racine, Geiger, and Gallup Police. This includes the following highways: Interstate 77 and West Virginia between mile markers 141 and 154. Route 50 in West Virginia between mile markers 4 and 5.